everyone, and welcome back to Brink of Speed. My name is Mike, and today is very exciting. We have footage from Sebring International Raceway and from the brand new Chevrolet Mid-Engine Corvette C8R. Let's take a look at some of that footage and listen in. I absolutely love the way this car looks and sounds. Wow, this car sounds absolutely amazing. Wouldn't you agree? And so let's go ahead and talk about what we know from seeing this footage and hearing this footage. We've already heard the car probably, 4 or 5 months ago and knew that it definitely wasn't just a naturally aspirated V8 like, the C7R, C6R, C5R, those cars were. We obviously know that this car has a couple of turbos on it because the exhaust note sound is definitely it's changed by the turbos. Anytime you put turbos on a V8, goes from a low rumble sound to a very high pitched and it's not throaty at all. It's a totally different sound. So now the question is this a 4.2 liter twin turbo or a 5.5 liter twin turbo? Obviously both being V8s, but I'd like to know what you guys think, what your thoughts are, and which engine you think it is. Now let's watch and listen to more footage. Man, that car just sounds so awesome. I have another question for you guys. Do you think that GM is not going to be happy that this footage was taken? Do you think that they are going to feel like maybe their secrets about this new C8R are out? And also their secrets about the engine being obviously not naturally aspirated are more confirmed with this new footage than they really were with just that sound clip that we had 5 or 6 months ago. Okay, well, that was fantastic, I have to say. And I have a couple more questions for you guys. I wanted to know if you thought that not only did this car sound amazing, but does it look amazing to you? And do you think that the rear tail lights, including the brake light, is something that we are going to see on the new regular C8 Mid-Engine Corvette? Do you think that those are exactly the shape and size? Do you think that the center brake light is going to look just like that? And then do you think that the headlights are going to look exactly the same as this C8R. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, but I wanted to bring this one out as soon as possible because I wanted to get this into your hands to watch and check out the new views and sounds of this beautiful C8R. So with that being said, I hope each and every one of you have a wonderful rest of your weekend, and please make sure and give me a big thumbs up if you like the video. Leave me a comment below, and if you have not joined the Brink of Speed community, make sure and hit that subscribe and bell button so that you're notified when my new content comes out. And that's it. I will see you guys out on the road.